Hi, I'm Emily from the Blue Mouse, and today I'm going to teach you how to work a right lifted increase. So this is the most invisible increase I have found so far, and it's very easy to work. So when you look at a stitch on your needle, that is these two bars here, when we work a right lifted increase, we're working into the stitch below it. So you see there's a left bar here and a right bar. So for a right lifted increase, we're going to work into this right bar. So there are two ways to do this, and I'll show you both. So you want to pick up just that right bar, okay? And you want to place it on your needle, but first I would put your thumb on that current stitch and then place that bar onto your needle because you want to be able to tell the old stitch from the new one that you just lifted up. So now to work the increase, you're going to knit into the stitch that you just put on your needle. So go into it and knit it, and then you can slide it off. And that is a right lifted increase. So now you can just keep knitting across the row as much as you need. You'll have to check with your pattern, but in all of my patterns, this current stitch here does not count as part of the increase. It is its own stitch. So here you've worked the increase, and now this is an entirely new stitch here when you work a right lifted increase. And that is what it looks like. So that's one way to do it. And once you get more used to it, you can tell, okay, so here's the stitch below, and here's this right bar. So if I'm in a hurry and I'm used to this, I can just kind of pull it up a little bit, right? And hold it in place with my thumb. And then I'm going to take my right hand needle and go through it from front to back. And then I just yarn over and pull a loop through, okay? That is easier once you get the hang of it. And now you can just knit across. And remember that this stitch on your needle that is above the right lifted increase does not count as part of the increase unless your pattern says so. So if I'm knitting 4, then I would knit 1, 2, 3, 4, because that first one counted. So when I'm looking and I'm counting, this one here on the right is my increase, and then these are the 4 that I knit after it. So that's very important to note. You work a right lifted increase in the stitch below, but the one on the needle above it does not count as part of the increase unless your pattern says so. So that is how you work a right lifted increase. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials.